Getting in and out of bed is even just a little risky. This is one of those products that makes things feel safer. This is the step2bed step stool. It is so solid, supportive, and clearly designed with real life bedtime use in mind. There is a motion sensor here that is going to activate if you're stepping in the dark or if it senses motion. The wide base is so sturdy and really gives a stable, confident step up and step down into the bed. My bed is pretty high. The legs can be adjusted. There are 5 or 6 different height adjustments based on the height of your bed. The dual handles makes all the difference with balance and support. Why I like this one? Adjustable height lets you match the bed height. The height of my bed is pretty high, and this does the job. Secures to the bed with straps if that's how you want to secure it. And it's designed specifically for safety, not just convenience, which you can feel right away once you step on this. It is very, very secure. Highly recommend the step2bed step stool. This review is sponsored by the brand. This is the Step2 Health safety step for the bedside. Let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, so here is the unboxing. We're going to get started on building it. Okay, I have everything laid out, and I'm going to go step by step, and let's put this together. First, you're going to line up A, B, and C. You're going to lift that up and secure with a nut and bolt. You're going to lift this up. You're going to secure with a nut and bolt. That's step 1. D, this is part D. And make sure you remove all of these caps from each side. There are 4 of them. You're then going to insert all holes A and B into this base D. So it should look like that once you insert them all. You're going to lift it up, and you're going to lay it on the side, and then you're going to tighten the nuts and bolts, and you're going to insert the legs. Flipped on the side, there are 4 caps on each foot. Take those off as well. Depending on the desired height of your bed, you're going to insert the foot into the bottom and adjust accordingly. Secure the nut and bolt on each leg. Here's the light, and it requires batteries. It's going to take 4 AAA, so I'm going to get those installed in here. It's going to peel the back off and install it like that. It has a magnet to change the batteries, so when you need to change the batteries, you just pull it right off.